Hi, my name's Terry, and we're doing some cooking, the three Macabella ingredients. So we do 1 cup of Macabella, 1 cup of flour, and 1 egg. And this is my brother Tiger, and he's going to help me make some Macabella cooking. It's really easy. So you put egg, flour, and the Macabella. Macabella!
Juice!
Chocolate!
In my tummy!
Macabella! Macabella!
Party in my tummy! Now there's a party in my tummy! Hey, there's a party in my tummy! Now there's a party in my tummy!
Tiger, you can lift that off the table. Macabella! Chocolate! Yummy, 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 Macabella in my tummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. I'm having Macabella today.
Party in my tummy!
Yummy, yummy, stirring it up. Tiger's helping me with that.
We'll do green beans!
Yum, yum, yummy, yum. I'm making Macabella cookies.
Okay!
Macabella
Let's
cookies.
go!
Macabella cookies. Macabella
In my
cookies.
tummy! Party, party!
After you mix it, you roll it into balls and pop it in the oven.
In my tummy!
But all the instructions will be on our blog. Make sure you visit Cherry and me. Now for
Now there's a party in my tummy!
Macabella. Oh.
There's a party in my tummy!
Macabella cooking well.
There's a party in my
If you want to make these cookies, visit our blog Cherry and me will help you make them.
in my tummy!
Bye.